What's up guys, welcome back to iFix Tech. Today we can say an experiment. We want to try to see if it's really possible to remove only the keyboard itself from a MacBook. Like as you see here, normally we change the whole top case. It comes this way, you gotta move everything from one computer to the other one, but in this case we're gonna see if it's really possible to do it. Before we had to remove literally every single component of this one. Only battery is remaining, but we need to remove the battery too. We already made a video on how to change or remove the battery or the battery package on this one. If you want to watch that video, the link should be popping up around here. Put the battery on the side. Let's try to figure out how to remove this thing. By taking a quick look, I can see that there is a label that we should be able to peel from the keyboard. Again, I've never done this one before. I do not recommend you doing it if you intend to reuse your keyboard. So this video, we are just trying to see if this process is really possible. I will start by removing or peeling this tape from the back. I will do it really carefully. And right away I feel some resistance, and that's telling me that this portion down here must be removed too. I can see two little screws here under these two tabs. After removing these, we should be able to see the screws. Use a screwdriver to remove them. Okay, now using your plastic tool and with some help from the force, we should be able to remove this plastic tab. Now we can get back to removing this back cover from the keyboard. After applying some force, right away we can see that there is no possible way to remove this keyboard without damaging it. Right away, when you remove this cover from the back, you will see some very important components that this keyboard needs to work properly. And well, anyway, let's keep going. Let's keep removing this one. As you keep going, you will see that there is some flex cable that you want to put to the side so you don't break them. But I just can say this is so hard. I mean, I'm pretty sure that Apple doesn't intend that the keyboard itself is only replaced from the computer. I'm pretty sure that they always intend that the whole top case is replaced on the MacBook. But anyway, I will just keep going. All this component here is part of the keyboard, so this keyboard is just not functional anymore, but that doesn't prove that you can replace for a new keyboard. So let's just keep going and see. I can see some rivets holding the keyboard to the casing, so that will make things even harder. And after removing all these visible screws, we try to leave the keyboard but still feel some resistance, and right away I figured out that I'm still missing these two big ones. When I finally remove all the screws, try to lift the keyboard again, remove it, but still feeling many resistance, I just figured out that it's not going to be that easy. As you can see in this keyboard, Apple applied a lot of rivets, like a lot. And in order to remove, like to separate the keyboard from the chassis, you really need to apply a lot of force to the keyboard in order to pretty much break them free from the chassis. And while removing this, yes, I found out that I was still missing one more screw that I need to remove before attempting to remove this one, but hey, we are learning. And after this point, I was really sure that no more screws were left, but yeah, guess what? I was wrong. Still one more screw on that little corner of the keyboard that I needed to remove. And after finally removing the last screw, we should be able to just keep removing the keyboard. And let me know, what do you think? This wasn't really an easy task at all. And I just believe that Apple go too far in order to prevent people to remove parts from their computers. I guess that's what they want to. I know it's their computer, but at the same time, we technicians, the users, we should have the right to repair our own devices. It should be more easy, I believe. And yes, you could get a third-party keyboard, but guess what? It won't be the same. It just won't be the same keyboard. Yes, it might work perfect, but there is no way for you to just install that new keyboard, install those rivets that Apple pretended to be installed before, or you just go the Apple way like this, replacing the whole top case. Comes keyboard, battery, speakers. It doesn't come with the power button. Yes, it is more expensive, but at the same time it is more safe. Just let me know down there in the comment, what do you think? Is really worth it going this way, trying to pretty much break down your computer, or just paying a little bit more or getting the whole top case with keyboard? Thank you so much for watching this video. I know it was a little bit messy, but at least you have a pretty good idea what to do when replacing the keyboard. I will see you in the next video.